Perhaps the easiest way to understand social networking is to think of it like a high school. You had friends in school and you knew quite a few people, even if you weren't friends with all of them. But it's likely that you didn't know everyone. If you ever move to a new school, or if you can imagine moving to a new school, you start out with no friends. After attending classes, you start meeting people, and as you meet them, you begin associating with those who have similar interests. Getting started with social networking is much the same as starting a new school. At first, you don't have any friends, but as you join groups and begin meeting new people, you build a friend list of those with similar interests. In the context of the internet, this is what social networking is, except it's online, says Daniel Nations from LifeWire. Social networking is based on a certain structure that allows people to both express their individuality and meet people with similar interests. So, don't ignore the power of social networking, as it is great for meeting people with similar interests, and is definitely useful for staying in touch with old friends and acquaintances. It can also be a very effective promotional tool for businesses, entrepreneurs, writers, actors, musicians, or artists. No matter what stage your startup is in, you'll want to start or continue to grow your social media audience. The more people you can reach on social media organically and through advertising, the better your launch and your ongoing sales will be. The starting point for growing your audience on any social network is strong profiles and pages for your social accounts. This requires including branded cover photos and profile photos. It also requires filling out all of your details. On Twitter, that's as simple as a 160-character bio, website link and location. Facebook wants a short description, website link, address and phone number. So, fill out as many fields for your social profiles and pages as you can. Next, share a few updates, 5 to 10 maybe, before you start your quest to build an audience. This will give people who visit your social accounts a reason to follow you. If you don't know what to post, do the following steps. Step 1. Share quality content. Even before your startup gets going fully, start building your audience on most networks by sharing content your target audience will enjoy. For example, if you have a startup for a Facebook marketing tool, start sharing content about Facebook. That could mean blog content, podcasts, videos, presentations, infographics, etc., created by you or by others. Step 2. Use friend finding features. Most networks have a way to connect you with people you know. Twitter allows you to search email contacts, Facebook also allows you to search email contacts and utilize an advanced people search. Instagram guides you to your Facebook friends on Instagram in its app. LinkedIn allows you to search your email contacts too and suggest current and former classmates and work colleagues based on your profile information. Step 3. Add links to your top social accounts on your website. You can do this by adding a small square social network icons to your website's header, footer and sidebar. You can also add the official buttons for each network on your website. You can find the official brand assets, buttons, badges and widgets on Facebook with its button generator. You can also look into social network icons on stock image sites like Deposit Photos. Step 4. Add links to your top social accounts to your email signatures. Make sure that everyone you communicate with via email knows about your startup by adding links to your top social accounts in your email signature. You can do this using small square social network icons or standard text links. You can also use services like Wisestamp to create professional signatures with your social links. And the last step. Step 5. Cross-promote your social accounts. Maybe you already have a large audience on one account. So, why not ask its members to connect with you on another social platform? That will be as simple as sending a tweet to your Twitter followers asking them if they're on Pinterest, so they can follow you there too. Also look for opportunities to link one social account to another. Pinterest, for example, will allow you to link to Twitter and Facebook.